Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be testing out these new gel polishes from Nail Addict LA. They sent these colors to me, I was able to choose these really fun colors to test out. I also chose their base and top coat because I feel like if you're going to test a whole new product line, you should test the products with the liquids that they should be with. So I did also get the base and the top coat with these colors. So off camera, I did take off my previous mani. I have been using Peelbase lately, which you can kind of see I've already applied to these nails. Slight glossy finish. I like to use Rossi's Magic Peelbase. I've been a really big fan of it lately. But if you have not jumped on the Peelbase bandwagon, I'm gonna link in the cards my removal video. It's one of my most watched videos, and I will show you how to take your full dip mani off in less than 10 minutes. So definitely check that out if you have not already done so. So here I'm just going to start applying the base coat, just a thin layer of base coat to get my nails prepped and ready to accept the gel polish. I showed you previously, but I'm going to be using these three kind of cool, or I guess not cool tone, but the purple, blue, and this really pretty, the playground. It's like this iridescent sheer color that I just had to try out. So just adding a little base coat action here. I'm going to cure it, and then I'll jump in with the actual polish. So jumping back in, I'm going to start with this playground color that we see here. It is this really iridescent, beautiful shade. It was kind of hard to capture on camera, but it was so pretty and light. I definitely wanted this one. I was going through the colors. This is one that definitely stood out to me, and I really liked the sheer look of it. So you'll see me use this color. I'm gonna jump to the blue, which is another glass, and then that really pretty lilac color is called Polish Me Pretty. So I'm just gonna get my first layer down. I'll let you watch that, and then I'll jump back in for my second coat. All right, so I got that first layer down. I'm just gonna jump in and start my second coat. I think I did about 3 layers total with this polish here and then the top coat. Again, this was my first time using gel polish, so I really did like the way that it applied. Some of these seemed a little bit more stringy or not as fluid as the others, but they all worked great. I didn't have any issues using any of the polish colors here. I found that the brush, the applicator brush, was really nice. It was easy to control. It wasn't too stringy or too wide. It was nice and easy to just apply this, no problem. So my first time going and trying these gel polishes, I'll definitely go back. I think that these were thinner than normal, which I like. I'm really picky with how thick my nails turn out. I usually do dip powder, so dip powder can get pretty chunky if you're doing some complicated designs, and sometimes my complicated designs get a little chunky, but I thought that this was really nice and a nice way to kind of quicker, actually. I wasn't sure how long this was going to take me, and I was pleasantly surprised that this was so much faster than doing a dip powder mani. To be expected, less layers, the curing, I don't know. It seemed to be, at least to me, surprisingly quick. So if you are interested in trying out maybe something new, maybe you don't even do dip powder, maybe you don't even do gel, I don't know, maybe this is the first video you're watching of nail stuff. I feel honored that you chose me. But if this is something new, I would definitely suggest this. It is different than just painting your nails. I know a lot of people are like, how can you do this? I can't even paint my nails. It's different. It's a little bit different of a process. Building up those light layers, those thin layers really get a nice even application here. Capping those edges to make sure that the polish isn't going to peel off. I cured that bad boy, and then I'm moving into my third coat here. This last coat, I think, did a really nice job of kind of getting an even base of that color. Really, 2 coats I think would have been fine. I got a really nice solid application with 2 coats, but like I said, these were a little bit thinner than my traditional dip nails, and since I'm not necessarily rough and tumble, but I have kids and I have a full-time job, so my hands are constantly doing things. I thought that this was a good in-between of the thicker dip powder and not having anything on your nails. It held up well. I didn't have any cracks or chips. Overall, I really like the product. I would highly suggest, you know, if you are wanting to jump into polishes or gel polishes, this is a good brand to start with. I did have a discount code for you. I will leave it down below. So if you are interested in checking out any of these polishes, please do. And don't forget to use my discount code. I will link it in the bottom. I do have to say that it only counts for a minimum of 2 polishes, but I mean, you're gonna want more than 2 anyways. So just be mindful, you need to have at least 2 different colors in your cart. All right, I'm gonna let you finish watching this and I'll jump back in a bit. All right, I'm just gonna jump back in as I am adding my top coat layer here. Just trying to go a little careful, making sure not to get any on my skin. That was a big thing I was trying to be mindful of. Again, this was my first gel polish attempt, so I was trying to be really hard not to get the gel on your skin. I've seen some people have some really intense allergic reactions, and you just don't want gel polish on your skin to begin with. So I was trying to be really careful with that. I did get a little flooding in one of my nails, and I should have cleaned it up before I cured, but I did not. You do need a UV lamp when you're using these, so just be mindful of that if you don't have one already. I will link the one that I was gifted from Kuzri, but I'll link it down below so that you can see which one that I have. And then any other tools that you see that I'm using here, I will also link below. But overall, again, I was really satisfied with this. The top coat was super glossy and beautiful. Not having to file in shape, again, coming from my dip powder background, this was really fast. This was a really fast way for me to get a really beautiful manicure. I haven't tested out that red color just yet, but I definitely will be getting to that soon. Take a look at these beautiful nails, my friend. So these still had a sticky layer on the top. So I'm just using some rubbing alcohol here and a lint-free wipe just to kind of take that sticky layer off. Just rubbing until they're nice and smooth. This always made me nervous. Was I gonna rub off the whole thing? All right, you guys, look at that. Give me a like. Look at those beautiful colors. I was so pleased with these, you guys. I was so happy with this outcome. I definitely suggest you trying out these colors again. I had to pull out my October Twilight from Sparkle House Nails Cuticle pen. I gotta say, I've been totally addicted to these cuticle pens ever since I discovered them this summer. I used to say, you know, 1 cuticle oil is enough, right? You don't need more. And then I went off the deep end, and now I have a pen in every corner of my house, every pocket of my pants, anywhere imaginable. So definitely check those out too. And I have a discount code for Sparkle House Nails that I will also include in my bio or in the description below. Oh, I'm so pleased with these, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this process. Hope you learned something. Try out Nail Addict LA. I was so pleased, and I know you will be too. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful morning, and hey, check right up there. Yeah, right up there. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I will love you forever. Thank you so much, and have a fabulous day.